First, click on Custom Size. Take 1080 by 1350 pixel size. Go to Photos. Search Red Sphere Background. Add this image. Click on More, then set the image as background. Adjust its position. Now, go to Elements, add a line. Change line weight to 10 pixels. Change its color to dark red. Next, search black gradient shade. Go to the Graphics section. Add this gradient. Flip it vertical. Adjust its size and place it just above the line. Send it to back. Next, upload your product image. Remove its background. Adjust its size and position. Duplicate one, flip it horizontal. Adjust its size and position. Send it to backward. After this, go to Elements, search Drop Shadow. Go to Graphics. Add this shadow element. Place it at the bottom of the first product image. Send it to back. Next, reduce its transparency to 75. Go to Elements and search Oval Shadow. Add an element. Reduce its size. Flip it horizontal. Place it at the bottom of the heel. Send it to back. Reduce its transparency to 75%. Duplicate the first shadow. Go to Position. Change Rotation Positive. Adjust its size and position. Send it to back. Duplicate the second shadow. Flip it horizontal. Place it on the heel. Send it to back. Next, search 3D elements. Add this element. Go to Position. Send it to backward. Click on Edit Image, then Duotone. Choose Custom. Change highlights color to red. Duplicate the first shadow. Place it below. Send it to backward. Go to Elements and search Cherry. Go to the Photos section. Add a cherry image. Place it on the bottom left of the canvas. Now, search Monstera Leaves Shadow. Go to Graphics. Add this element. Flip it horizontal. Place it on the top left corner. Now, search Black Gradient Shade. Add this element. Flip it vertical. Place it at the bottom of the canvas. Scale its size. Search Red Glow. Go to Graphics. Add this element. Place it on top of the second heel. Send it to backward. Duplicate and place another one at the bottom of the first heel. Select the heel. Bring it to front. Now, go to Text. Add a heading. Type your text. Go to Font. Search the something. Choose this font. Change font size to 120 pixels. Change letter spacing to 50. Adjust its position. Duplicate and add another text. Change font size to 80 pixels. Now, group these two texts. Adjust their position. Add a subheading. Type your text. Go to Font and search Montserrat. Choose Montserrat Medium Font. Change font size to 25 pixels. Increase the letter spacing. Duplicate and add another text. Change font size to 20 pixels. Reduce letter spacing. Select all text and group them. Place it on the top right of the canvas. Add a heading. Type your next text. Go to Font and search Caveat Brush. Choose this font. Change font size to 60 pixels. Click on Effect. Go to Curve. Place it on top of the first heel. Set it to 95. Increase letter spacing. Adjust its position. After this, search Red Lightning. Go to Graphics. Add this element. Place it on the top right corner. Now search White Sparkle Light. Go to Graphics. Add this element. Place it on top of the first heel. Duplicate and place another one on the second heel. Our Stiletto Heels product image is ready. Let's zoom in. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.